Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to show you how you could use pictures to help rank in Google Maps. At the end, I'm going to show you a very simple little hack. Watch this. This video is dedicated to my friend, Darren Marion from Retell SEO. I miss you, brother. This one's for you. All right, guys, I hope everybody's doing great. I love to do videos that are short and that are actionable, meaning that you could watch the video and then jump right in on the assignment, and either you could take care of it or you could have your developer take care of the issue. So I consulted with a potential client today, and as you can see, the website's in front of you, and we spoke about a couple of things. Now, one of the things that we spoke about that I see recurring many times on many websites are pictures. And let me tell you what I mean by that. So this is an electric website, right? This is an electric website located in Pennsylvania. And you'll notice that while the imagery is really, really nice, the imagery has nothing to do with being an electrician. So what I'd like you to do is take a look at your website, right? And this is what I'd like you to do. It's just really simple. I want you to type in the name of the town and what you do. So for example, if you're an electrician in Allentown, or if you're a dentist in Mission Bay, San Diego, or if you're a whatever you are in Tampa Bay, right? Just type what you do and where you're from. And then what I want you to do is I want you to click images on Google right here. And I want you to look at the type of pictures that come up. And I told this fella, I said, I bet you the type of pictures that come up are people's trucks or somebody working on an electrical panel. So what I would do here is I would get a professional picture of the fella standing in front of the truck. Now, the reason why that's important is because if you're the one showing up on the jobs, people already know who's going to be visiting with them. I consulted with a client last year. I forgot what he did. He may have did car detailing or something like that. And as soon as he pulled up to the job, the person who hired him came out, greeted him by name, and knew who he was. And he said, "How did you know this was me?" He says, "I saw you on the website." And he felt that that was the most important thing for how he got the job. So it was interesting that he said that, and I believe that myself. I always had my picture on my website, right? So it's your brand, it's your business. I would have a picture, since it's Google sees the truck as something that's important. I would use the truck. I would use a truck picture, or if you want a picture, of you doing some work in an electrical panel, and put that right on the homepage. That's the picture that should be on the homepage. And throughout the website, I would go to all the pages, like for example, lighting, electrical repairs, and I would type in electrical repairs, and I would see what type of pictures Google are looking for. You remember something, Google's reading the text on your website, but the other thing they're doing is they're scanning your pictures. Google could see the pictures on your website. So use pictures that Google already knows go with your industry. And the way to check it is just super simple. Just go to Google Images and see for each keyword what Google sees as important for that keyword. All right, guys, so I said I had a hack for you, and I'm going to do that right after this. Hey guys, it's really funny, man. Like, it took me 5 years to do YouTube videos because I was so afraid of the camera. It really took me a long time. And sometimes I listen back to my videos and I realize I don't say the word that, I say dat. That's why you gotta, and I cringe every time I hear myself speak, though I do believe that I'm very good at explaining things, but my English, it almost sounds like a second language. That's what happens when you grow up in New York. But with that being said, if you could please like and subscribe to my channel, that would be great. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. All right, guys. So here's the hackaroony. Here's the big thing that I think is a great little trick, because it's really easy to do. So you have your pictures on your website. What I want you to do is I want to take all your pictures, and over the next 24 to 48 hours, I want you to put them all over your social media. So take all the pictures that you had from your website, or most of them at least, and post them on your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, so on and so forth. If you have a blog, put them on there. If you have an off-site blog, meaning that you have a blog that's not related to your not on your website, right? You have a separate blog, put them there. Okay, so now you have them on about 4 or 5 different social media outlets. Now, I want you to come over to Fiverr and just type in like post pictures on blogs, post pictures on social media. You want to get your picture out there like on 40 or 50 different websites. Now, you could do that each and every time you add pictures to your website. Or what you could also do is you could come to Fiverr and you could get expired Tumblr accounts. And you could get a network of Tumblr accounts. And all you need to do is just post those pictures on the expired Tumblr accounts. Now you're going to get some link juice from that also. See where it says page authority of 50? So underneath the picture, you could write, we just did a job in Mission Bay, for example, or we just did a job in Tampa Bay, electrical job, and create a link going back to your residential electric page, or whatever page is appropriate for that, right? So the two things it does is it gives you a little bit of link juice, but it gets that image circulated throughout the internet. And if you get it on enough websites, what you're going to notice is that you're going to monopolize this whole area. And when Google sees you strong here, you could have a slight bump in your Google Maps as well. Right? So that's one of the tricks that I use, and I wanted to pass it on to you. Now, one of the other tricks that I've learned is to be good to your family, is to kiss your wife, is to kiss your kids, is to help out around the house. All this Google stuff is great, right? And making money is fabulous, and we're under a lot of stress as business owners. Right? Customers that don't pay, jobs that don't go well, customers that are complaining, right? Very, very tough. Very tough being a business owner, a small business owner these days. But you can't take it out on your family. You have to learn to separate your work life and your home life. And you always want to be a gentleman. You always want to be nice to your family. So that's the message that I think is really important. And this Google picture hack is really good too. Guys, if you could please like and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you the next time. Thanks a lot.